Alright, so if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And don't forget to share the video, man. On your Facebook, on your Instagram, and on your WhatsApp. All the social media platforms, share them up.
Paradise Nation, Richard Brown Films. Hey, finish line. I know what you do. You gotta quit the sister, tell the people all the things that's not true. Yeah, finish line. I know the things that you do. Oh, soon we're gonna do some crazy things to you. Yeah. You love the church, and soon box it down. Finish line. You better quit what you do. Paradise Nation, that's Richard Brown Films. Yeah, you know how to make this a public report. Yeah, finish line. Finish line. You better quit what you do. If you don't stop the mix up, then go and box it down. Yeah. Climax, Paradise Nation. I know what you do. Richard Brown Films. Public report. Once again.
Hello, Sheriff.
Jesus Christ. Village King, me tell her please, when you come not frighten me so sorry, me easily frighten you know.
How much time I was telling you my name is not Village King, it's Village Lawyer. From the last time the blasted man left here, come like you cannot stop chat about King.
So me get used to that name, sir. Forgive me. So what's going on now?
It's past and passing through and I say me I come give a visit, you know.
But Village Lawyer, you know say, if I win no all in you, I'm glad you pop up. From other day, I can't find on my underwear. And I just wake up in the morning, my foot swell up. Look here, I can't walk. I don't understand.
Well, I might know who thief your underwear.
Please, I beg you, tell me. I need to know. I need to know.
Hold on, man, hold on. So you don't have anything to give me?
Like money, right?
I'll take anything.
Man, anything. Me give money, man. I want you to tell me, Village Lawyer. Because I'm so scared, I don't understand. You know, so when you're missing them things that as a woman, you have a fret. So.
You know, the one running some blacks, you know blacks.
Yes.
You have a little thief in that, a little maga one, and she thief your panty.
You know, so my mind I wonder, but which part was she could have worn my panty?
I don't know. This little girl is a thief. She's a very ranking thief.
She rank for you, because if the thief it over the line, she have to rank. But what she really do with it? Because she maga. That me I say. Because she maga.
The blasted man where you have, him jealous over. Him jealous over the one where you did have. So he want to come walk up upon him. She come link me this morning, you know. And I said, no sir, Sherry is my good friend. I just take it from her.
So you have the panty, sir?
No, not the panty. She cash some money come so she want me walk look something for her. But me tell her I know be a man still.
What a wicked. You see, ow. No man, right now me panic. Me afraid. I get me afraid. Jesus Christ.
No need to be alarmed, man. No need to be alarmed. I was just coming through to ensure that everything is okay. Because you know everybody
me
business.
cannot walk, you know. My foot swell big. Me I say me don't know. Me really want you to tell me walk my foot coming up. So all if you get arthritis.
Say no say Navlet I walk by you.
Hey, Jesus. No, me can't believe this.
Navlet I walk by you.
Really? So hold on, they tell me something now, Village Lawyer. Somebody I walk by me one time, how am I going to manage this?
Listen to me now, man. It's the two of them I walk by you. The little girl I walk by you for man, and she I walk by you because she bought something from back in the days. Long time she I walk by you. She just walk.
I can't believe this.
Me tell you something, because not tell nobody, so me tell you.
No, so me not tell nobody.
You see the one blacks, you see him little daughter when you have a breed. Think in the street, I'm breeding daughter. Think.
No man, this is some corruption and nastiness.
Take time talk.
Nobody really there now, me alone there, but we can't believe this shocking, this is nastiness.
Marco, I saw them turn. I saw him that the family turn. They right there one another right through. So that the family turn. But not tell nobody, so me tell you.
No, me not tell nobody.
Alright, but I don't go up on my office, you see?
So, Billy Guy, I want to link you for something for my foot, man, because I can't go like this. Me a young girl, me not supposed to walk and a hop.
You're not supposed to feel walk and up. You need some fellatio.
Fellatio. So, what is the meaning of that?
It's for you to find out.
Fellatio. No, no, so.
Oh, I never remember to tell you. Just come up on me and I have some rubbings for you, you see?
Alright, so
Yeah, man, just come
sound
up.
much better.
Yes, alright. We shall together.
Yeah, man.
I hear is a father breeding and nothing go so?
Really?
Is what kind of life can your father down there live?
No go so my father no breed me. Who could I tell you the story there?
So you mean to tell me say thinking I treat and nothing go so?
No go so.
So that means say I want a little boy them around a breeder then?
Me no know who breed me no.
I mean what kind of life you live? What if you don't know who breed you? Eh? What kind of careless girl in that there? You think in the street say your father breed? Say your father breed you?
I know my father breed me.
Then what kind of thing that your royal family? Your family royal?
I know my father breed me.
Eh? Then what kind of thing them there? You and your father is one set of dirty smarty. You and your father.
I know my father breed me and I go tell my father.
Say-
Who tell you that?
Listen to me. Think in our street. You think. Better yet. Sure, tell me say your father breeder.
Sure.
Yes. Yes, I don't know where I come from. She just tell me say, how your father breed you. Think.
I
And
know
for a young girl like you, why you make your father have to come between her legs?
it's not my father. It's not my father breed me.
So how you finna know who you
Me just don't know who breed me.
Go on, cause
Yeah, sure, I'll tell daddy.
now tell him say me tell you.
Daddy,
I want to again.
you know say a while ago me a come, me pass the look dirty liar boy. Stop me and not talk about here.
Who? The village liar?
Yeah. Boy here say you breed me.
What?
Boy you breed me. And he say a Sherry tell him.
No man, come on, we're good on the no sir. We want to good on Take time. You see, that is why I tell you say to stay off the road and don't chat to people in the community, you know. Cause all of them don't love mix up too much. Man, they love mix up too much. How them fi say something like that? Me have your friend, your baby.
Me tell him man say I know him a talk about how me fi make me father come between me leg.
Alright, wait till I see, Sheriff. Wait till I see her. Come on. Go right down like to her, you know. Oh, no. Miss Sheriff.
Hello.
Yeah, come here. Give me a minute.
Yes, sir.
You know, me here say, your chat say, I'm a breed my daughter.
Me?
Yeah, I mean say, if I you. Me here say, I'm a breed my daughter. You need to explain yourself because I don't know how you come to say, I'm a breed my daughter. I have her friend, she have 1 month old. So how you attack and tell people so?
Sorry, listen me. I don't have time to sit down and chat people, so I don't know where that comes from, I don't know who tell you, but I have nothing to do with that. So I don't know why you come over me.
Listen man, me hear it from good source, and you cannot, you know you destroy my daughter's self-esteem. If you say me I lie down with my daughter, go between her legs.
Look, I don't want to come over here and try to accuse me and say me call up on the name panel. Look, girl, I said, if you can't find who put that in front of you, that's your business. Go and pan a search and go try to find it. And I come over here and start the foolishness because I never see you with my woman up a year yard yet. So I go to your brother and too. So I don't want to come out of my yard when I'm going to go on the business.
You know,
come over here with no
hold on.
customers.
You know what I go on? Me I go sue you for public mischief because if you attack them, they sitting in front of me, dad. No cry me daughter, don't cry.
No, come out
Don't
of me,
bad,
that's
don't
why I
bad.
don't know why I be sorry for you.
Don't say man. Remember say me, why me daughter? Remember say me I go sue you. Me I go
A
sue you.
long time she alright, don't let me alone, man.
Don't call me name.
How they do?
How they do? You see what they do?
You know, say I have a piece of something to tell you. That's something to tell you, man.
What that now?
You know, say share, I say, you hobby him.
Eh?
Stop them, take time talk, no? Think. In just see me a while ago, tell me say you hobby him.
Me?
Listen, no? Take your time.
How me behind him?
Say you give him sore foot, foot fat up so round there.
That girl leave born with a big foot and swell foot, so you don't come call my name, you don't want my name called by certain things. Make him big foot.
Listen.
Make him big foot. He put a size was size 16 and him more size 14. He could expect a little foot. So you not tell a lie about me.
Not the foot, the leg, the thigh, fat. Say you take when jaws and give him fat foot.
I'm not even a girl, yeah. I'm not even a girl, little ranking, redkin, dirty, ranking girl, yeah, that can call me name. You know, I mean, call her certain things, man.
Listen, me, not tell him say me tell you do, not tell him say me, just keep me out tight. You see me? I think I'm actually me a friend, and me a friend long time. That's why I come to tell you. You see me? But do not call me name and tell him say me. Do me I beg you.
Sure, see so.
Sherry think up, me say me go over there. He not even wash, he not even know.
So if you think me not have to take time and time, me can't go over there and say, shut up!
Just stop now. Me go round there. You're dirty for your brown girl. Place dirty and nasty. And Maggie almost take him out over there.
And you have a chat, and you have the city and say me give him foot.
Oh, he rank. Rank. I mean, you're a good girl. But well, no, sir. I wish I man them put that up on your neck. You see you Navlet, and easy, you know, Navlet.
What else we can help you with your too fast enough?
Anyways, trust me, 2 pound of flour and 2 tin mackerel, you see? But a long time your body, you know.
Look for how long you owe me. Look for how long you owe me.
Navlet, you have to make everybody know. You know, so me I'll get paid.
Go on to China, go tell him so.
The money, listen to me now, man. Listen to me now. When the check come, me just wait for the check to come. Because through them dip me never get to collect all of my money. But now at bank, I put in the process now. So now me can get the money. So no worry about that, man. Money a come and a pound. Say no.
China take check and a China change pound. Me change Jamaica money as well. So here you go to the China and tell him so. Because you love trust, you don't want to pay.
Me ever take your things and not pay for
Look
it?
how long you want me month hard.
But you still I go get the money. You still don't do me that.
Unless
Man.
you give me extra money for the man when you give time to pay me.
When the money come, man, you surely we get a little extra, man. Come on, man. Don't do me that, man.
But when you see you want, cause right now you go tell me about people say me I walk over here and my head get GG. Cause me I go over there to a right now, me a lucky shop and go.
No. Listen, as me say, keep my name out of it. Just give me 2 pound of flour and 2 tin mackerel make me go on, please. But keep my name out of it, man. Nobody tell them say me tell you so, you know.
Yeah, man.
You hear me say? No tell them say me tell you so. Thanks. Thanks. Anyways.
Packet it and go on, cause me I go right now. Me a lucky shop and go over there, cause she bright.
That's why me no like tell you nothing, you know. Me no like tell you nothing. Just keep my name out of it.
Certain things me name if you call pan. Bigfoot, share.
Where you come over here and call up my name so loud for?
No. Imagine, look how me I live. Look how me I live good. And you did you tell the whole district say me give you foot. And me give you sore foot. Your foot there big for your band. We are tell people about me go be a man. If I see me I be a man, get.
You know, say come like a cross is then said for me do. First I did, listen me man. Now come over here with the problem. Who tell you that? Because everybody come and say they hear, say this and say that. Who tell you that? If you can't say oh, it no make no sense to come over here and make noise in my yard.
Alright, I want make no noise in your yard, think I make your foot. You want me all long, pay me rest of money, you want me make me finish, go be a man, go down your foot. Think as me I walk over here, you want me $1,650, that $10 kind for the end.
So,
give me it, make me finish, go be a man.
Because you say me say, you give me foot, you come over here and tell me say, oh, money.
Give me rest of money, make me go out
Oh,
be a man.
that add up.
Give me rest of money, make me go be a man. If you walk and tell them they lie for me. You will do anything to me, you cut me throat, but me know you cut me throat $1,600.
Miss Nablet, I come and say since you put the color in your head, it start turning an idiot.
A fool too.
Miss, me don't call your name to nobody and say you give me no food. I never born with no big foot for your information.
Your father was a size 16 and your mother was a size 14.
Even if my foot big, I can tap in your chest when I come
Tap in my chest, tap in my chest, and give me money, give me money.
Me not afraid.
After you chop me.
Alright, I'm gonna get behind me, Satan.
After you chop me, you don't want to pay me money, Cheryl, pay me money, make me go
I'm ready to pay you yet. And you're gonna wait till me get the money to pay you. Because I'm broke right now, so you're gonna wait. Okay. Now come on, me and
Okay.
mix up on your bank.
You don't come and shop again. Come on, you ever hungry? So you don't come and shop. You don't come and trust again. Because you ever hungry every week you trust. Every week you trust. That's why I walk and see you're nasty. You're nasty.
I don't give a damn what they want to say.
You're nasty.
You can't say me nasty because you don't live with me.
You're nasty for me. I come on,
You're
just smell that smelling stink.
Me have your stench ass smell and need to wheel and come again.
Give me my money.
Come again.
Give me my money.
Miss who can give you your money, miss? Go on over here and come out of my yard, please.
No, make it there, don't you give me money, you know.
No, ma'am, I can't pay your money.
Thank you.
Go use it again.
Thank
So
you.
go on.
Thank
You
you.
mix up and you bang
Thank you.
around. Lead the way. Yeah, bitch.
Why, Betsy? I want to take you out of the condition I'm in now, but I had to wait for a little money from over England if you come and see, so I can drive you again. Boy, may go through some hard road. Me and you carry me go, you carry me come. Boy, Betsy, I love you. One day I'm going to take care of you. You see, I'm going to take you out of the condition, Betsy. Boy.
Come to see you now, sir.
I was sleeping, you know. Is what now?
Sir, can I come inside?
I never expect you to be here. What is it?
Village Lion, I really want you to help me. Because the whole community come down for me now. Everybody come to me and I say this about them. You just come like a one bad luck. I want you to break that curse off me. Please, me, I beg you.
Boy, this come like a bad luck. This come like a witchcraft. Me tell you about them people around here, you know. Me tell you, this is why you see how far I come up in the hills. Eh? I don't like these people around here. They mix up. All them do is wash your and chat your business. That's all them do.
I agree with you.
Me
sir.
no like them.
Because me there me yard every day somebody come with different hearsay.
So
Me not understand and me not say nothing about nobody. Me can't manage because a while ago Miss Navet come to me and say she hears me say she give me big foot. Me not understand.
Then his wish pa she get that from me. Tell about them people around here, you know.
Anyway, Me just want you help me break that curse, because me know you can do it. Me I beg you, me with anything where it takes, I will do it. Just name it. I pay the price, anything. Because I can't manage this no more.
The best thing I can tell you is me alone there, and it's long time I don't feel a fellatio from a woman. So might as well you just come moving.
Liar, you're flesh, you can't turn. Me, I need help. I tell me about your feel. Me can't ever call the name. Look, man. Sir, just me I beg you for help. Me can't do this. Me not supposed to feel last night because this serious.
Alright. It's kinda later now, so here what me I gonna make you do. You gotta go down here, yeah, you see?
Yes, sir.
And go sleep. Get 3 leaf of life and put you on your bed and sleep on the same side where you sleep last night. But come back to me tomorrow. Let me broke some coconut and light some fire and break this curse off for you, see?
Yes, sir, me appreciate
But
it.
rear something more ready. Something more sexy.
So, sir, we are trying to tell me say what me have on look good.
This-
And somebody I look, I go help me.
No, but the spirit realm asks for what it's
Okay,
want.
sir. So what time you say tomorrow?
Come out in the morning, man. In the morning, anytime. Just come.
My
You-
mosquito up here, yeah,
when you come, you come. And when you come, you can come too.
You know, say, I be, me not understand your language when you speak.
Listen, man. When I get the money from England, you know, I can ensure so you get all a nice little hairstyle. You see? Nice little, and you want to have some little braces and all them.
Sir, me don't want to talk about that. Me just want to hear say I go help me. So you say what if me to come tomorrow?
Then I help more and help you.
Sir, but if you help, me not talk about them, they help the way you talk about.
Listen to me. Me said, do what me say if you do, you know. Come back tomorrow, come check me.
What time?
When my brain settle tonight, me I think about something. So when my brain settle, you can come. But just come check me tomorrow, you see?
Alright.
Walk good.
Alright, thank you. Here?
Remember, not tell nobody my business.
No, sir, none of that.
Alright. So you're going to take care of everything in our house, right?
Mm-hmm. And have a good day at work, you don't know anything, go fix up yourself.
Yeah, man. So what you gonna cook today?
I cook some chicken, not even know yet.
Nobody cook, because I'm not even hungry when they come home.
You go eat.
Huh?
Me still have to cook.
No, man, I eat at work. You
Me see
know?
her clean.
Yeah. I was, you know, the storm is blowing. So you have to keep cool.
And you have your lunch in your bag, we need
Yeah.
your lunch. Alright
Yeah.
then.
So, everything good, right?
Yes, everything alright.
Alright, so when the time comes, you will know still, but probably maybe do double shift today, so you're gonna see me in a fresh.
Double shift.
Yeah, baby.
But then say maybe storm comes.
Yeah. Hey, what on?
Oh, man.
Where are the brand idea?
Oh, I work me there, go on, you know.
Oh, okay, I go.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so yo, here what? When you fall back, look more money catch what in hot bull the way you bake up, I bake it for me.
I want me, man, I must care about man. So, this is for your little daughter. How breed her?
Boy, I see him question me and ask her from when a who breed her. But guess what happened? The worst part about she a breed, you know, is the whole community have here say, oh, I'm a breed her. You know that no sound good. You know me feeling myself as a father, for people that talk to I'm a breed my daughter.
How much one of them little boys, trust me.
Well, you know how we know, cause me ask her and she not tell me no sensible argument. She has said, daddy, me no like some, he take me for idiot.
You know what I'm saying? When I understand when they are young kids, yeah. No matter how they know the truth, they hold it down. They not going to tell you, so you have to just catch up on them.
Alright, but me figure it out still because me feel disappointed if you know say boy me have her friend she at 3 months old, her mother run gone left me. But it is what it is. Here what you do. You see when you go to the road and you become a sinner gone pick up one little money from somebody from man and alone you know come back. If you see her, just tell her say me there on here wait.
Alright, me do that. So, look how more.
Alright, do what you have to do.
We are drinking Pepsi. What you want to do? You want to give me diabetes?
How am I feel for?
Feel for what?
The Pepsi.
You must be mad, man. You know, say you're a real mad young girl. Listen to me, man.
But anyway, that's what I want to talk about right now. I'm glad, say, we just have come up here for that.
Yeah.
I don't know who breed you. But I'm so glad. I thank you. If you not tell him.
You know, say, them have it in our community. Things say my father breed me, and I know my baby father and my father breed me. But when they ask me who breed me, I just tell them, so me no know.
Boy, I tell you the truth, I'm sorry about that, but I can't help him, you know. He must be battle it out. He does make it stay that way there. But me, I beg you, no make me, just keep it between me and you. When the baby born, the baby good. You see my wife down there now, she's just for a little time because me I make sure me put him out when time that baby born, you know. Because you and me have to live down there and you want to run the shop. Me give her back one thing of sachets or one bottle of Pepsi. Every time when we go to the shop, I want one things before, you know. So, nothing wrong with that.
Alright then, so when you come home later, bring two of the hot bowl of them for me because I eat the baby one.
Come on, bring on one whole bag. And stop, chicken Pepsi.
You can buy me back one juice?
Go up to your father.
Me thirsty.
Go on up.
Morning. Nablet, boy! Nablet! Come here, girl, come here. I have news for you. Come man, before the news run out of my head.
Good morning.
How do you do? Is where your husband there?
I'm gonna work.
Gonna work? You sure you're working on?
So which part tells me husband we going to work every day?
Every day. You see you? Me tired of tell you say that man is not good for you, you know. You have to get a good man like me where just come from foreign.
No, come
You know
try
which-
put me husband against me. You're bright and out of order.
You know which part me see him this morning? Eh? Round and blacks with Black's daughter.
Eh?
Yes, Black's daughter is. I never know say he's in breed
You
Black's
must help
daughter.
him out with lunch money.
I never know say he's in breed Black's daughter.
What you say?
It-
Move friends with your nonsense, man.
You run a shop so sit down at daytime and your husband they up a Black's yard with Black's daughter end up breeder and you run.
Don't tell me nonsense
sit down
about
like
me
a mule.
husband. You must be mad. You're mad, man. You're mad, somebody. It's too early for this. It's too early.
Look for me good. You see me as a man who tell lie? Eh? You sit down run a sit down like a mule at daytime and your husband they road a breed woman. Eh? Come up on me yard, girl. Come there with me. I run him out and make me come in.
You're talking nonsense. Here what? Here what you do? Watch it shop for me. Okay, if I saw it go, me and grown up blacks right now go check my in that and squash over this. Okay, you say if I saw it go, I have to come out of me yard today, me I send him out and run him home. So just watch it shop for me, here.
Do not tell him say me tell you. You know,
Every time you come with mix up your pan, do not tell him say me tell you.
you know me not like mix up. Navlet. You know me not like mix up. I don't like me name my road. Just not tell them say me. Do.
Give me a couple minutes. Stay and watch the shop for me. You know every price, you trust everything in here.
Alright.
Blacks! Blacks! And Navi!
Hey, what going on here? Hold on. I really money where you come from.
No, sir, because you know me not pressure for money.
What happened to you now?
Me can't talk to you one man, sir. Call you where your daughter there.
How she do?
Where your daughter?
Jade!
Daddy?
Come here! I wonder I could have want me, you know, me can't
And if you know, say somebody just tell me, say, all the while they see Papa and your daughter, Papa breed your daughter.
Hold on.
Papa, they say me have to really know if it's true. Because today me have fling out blacks if I saw you go. Because that's a nonsense. See, and my best friend, I'm telling me not trust people.
Hold on. Let me understand clearly what you say. You say your husband, which is my best friend, breed my daughter. Jade, really, tell me where
No,
breed your...
Daddy, me don't know who.
So much money I sleep with little girl, so much money you want to sleep with and take.
So-
Talk it true, because I want to know what to do. Me know say you reach the age and everything, but me just want to know if I'm my husband.
And not
Breed you.
him.
Jade, me want...
Daddy.
Listen, man, listen. You've been a take me for idiot, you know. And you don't have the whole community a tell lie for me, you know, say me breed you, you know. So you need to talk it truth. If I him get you pregnant, just tell me. Please, me I beg you, Jade. Me your father, and me love you, and I want the best for you. But me, you can't continue to tell me them a foolish, sir. Me supporting everything, but me can't keep up to this. You need to tell me who get you pregnant. If I him. Because if I him, you have to come out of the community.
Little girl, then have so much money and sleep with that you don't know who breed you. You must have an idea and the time frame if you want me sit down and you tell me a month of belly and who you did sleep with. Me we can't calculate if you know if a female husband breed you. Me just want to know who breed you.
Daddy, me don't know who breed me.
You know what? Me tired of foolishness, you know, just because me probably not lick you.
Yeah man, let me help your papi thing.
Yeah, man, me probably not lick you. That's a problem. That's a problem, man. No, man. Come here. Nobody running up. Come. That's a problem, man. No, man, me no want you pop tick lick me pick me, you know. Any licking a go on and me a lick me daughter. Oh. Come right here, so. Nobody have the foolishness. Me no want have to beat up on the belly, you know. Me don't want have to beat up on the belly. Just tell me the truth. As I say, me don't want you lick me daughter, you know.
No man, you not used to forget lick. Me will feed the lick for you.
Come, tell me truth. Tell me truth. Who get you pregnant?
Daddy, me don't know if Randy, Mark, Paul, or Blackhead, or Romy.
Jesus Christ! If me have a penny bad like I me catch you sitting on fire and pepper it. How much name? Yeah, how much? You're not just 18.
Because girl, you make me feel shame. You make me shame. Please. Nobody with the foolishness to call one bag of people picking name. I get people mixed up in your galangin. Me support you from the moment you breed me should run you out, you know. And who breed you? A Popeye. Because me get me and me not think a lie now you tell you know. Say a Popeye breed you. Tell me
They
truth.
say they see little girl and him locked down every time you gone and sit there and see man him run back catch up all about.
Tell me truth.
So
Tell me truth. Me no want to feel you know. Tell me truth. Talk to me, man. Talk. You know what?
A Popeye.
Just tell me truth. Cause right now come like a mad you want me mad. Tell me truth. Jesus Christ. No. No tell me say you make that your husband Popeye breed you. No tell me that. Jesus Christ.
You make your next one, you make your best friend. Come in your yard, come breed your daughter. You never have no little hint, no little clue.
Hold on. You're your husband, you know. You should have your husband under control, you know. You should have your husband under control. If you didn't have your husband under control, your husband wouldn't breed me daughter.
You know my husband how much? You should have your daughter under control.
You know what? Come grow on. Cause you see when me see Popeye, me I'm gonna have you out.
You and him have you out, man. Cause send me a send him where you know. Pack me and pack him out. So you and him have you
know
out.
what me I gonna do? I go send she where. Me can't live with this a disgrace in the community. She have to either go down on my sister or somebody a country. Go on. We all disgrace this.
Me don't know for James, me don't know for Randy, me don't know for Blackhead.
Come on. I was a nasty to throw garbage. Eh? Put garbage at the gate. Who's a nasty?
You see garbage you say you get? You see garbage like you. Go in a bag and roll to start the roll. Oh, you figure breed your best friend daughter. When you worthless, so me do everything, me give everything. You say me I get too hole and hear them, I get too grim. If you die in me head, see me die out me head, yeah. Me do everything just because of you. And you still go take up one little pitney and get breed him. Me know say she 18, but there's a piece of not even one call the word.
Oh, telling them the lie there, baby. Baby, I know me bring my friend that I would never do that. Why would I do? Come on, you really believe them people there?
The little girl talk you out and own a mouth.
In cancer.
Say, are you breed him?
In cancer, that's how time own a mouth. Not even the horse's mouth can come back and say me breathe. Let me tell you something. They don't like to see me already. So anybody who can tell you, a bad man and you.
Right now, me no like to see you neither. So just kill out, come out of your house and go on. Come out of yard, go on. You be like green a bastards, go on. Go on.
Go get me.
Go on.
Go get me liar. Go get me liar. Go get me liar. Listen. Go get me liar. Half of that for me.
Half a what? Half a what?
My sister.
Look how long you're there. Half a water for you.
When me know you have one thing that started, I one good thing in the shop. I'm a stocky shop. I be a case of everything I buy.
Just like how you stack your little girl belly. Just like you stack your little girl belly, you stack your shop. Go and go get half of the investment. They start over. Get half of investment. Sing you nice baby there. You go along. Me alright. Me and me little picking them here, so we good. We don't want you. 1 year's a garbage.
You want me one day, you know. You want me one day, me I tell you. One day you must want me.
Why you do what? You do what with? We don't want you. You're embarrassing.
You really do me this?
Embarrassing, man.
You put my clothes in a garbage bag instead of me good old suitcase or whatever.
Boy, Navi. Long time I tell us if you come up a yard then, but I don't know why hold you back. Why hold you back, Navi? I want me to look good. Eh?
Drink up, man. Drink up. You don't want nothing else.
When me used to be in England, you know, man, it's nice woman like you, me have, you know. Me have a body, you know. Nice woman. Me live good when me there in England.
That have nothing at all to do with me. You're England. You can never stay. Where make them put you back out there for?
You know, so when me come from England, is the reason why them send me out is because them said the Jamaican them who over there and no papers have to go leave. So they send me down in a ring rush. And me did I live good over there, you know? And if tell you something again, you know say all what go on around here, so you know say I'm me tell Sherry say the little girl they breed. And I me same one tell Black say. But anyways, I me
You
them.
want more rum?
I me
You
them.
can't get a next drink, you know.
This
Drink, yeah, man. Dog.
tell us something again. You know say share every night. You see Galang like in innocent every night. Two different man come over here. No? Two different man. You want scam a boy from around the road there. You want next scam a boy from up the road there. He just a running something red. He not give no break, and then a morning time you see him come out and he go on like him dandy. And it
Me say you can't be that big man. You cannot be coughing in my face like that, man.
Sorry, man, sorry. Come here. And you see, as talking about Sherry, you see, is me tell her say Black's daughter breeding, and is me tell her about the soul food. Nothing go so everything what go along and say is me because the dirty people them believe in me and me come from foreign. I'm boring. It's the only thing me want is that nice little young girl up there. If you can't give me fellow show.
Yes, man. Keep on top, man. So what about anybody else? What about blacks? So blacks really pregnant daughter. You know that part of it?
No, you not hear me. It's me come up with that idea because I've never seen that boy with a woman. And he up there and he just up there. Me never see him with a woman. Me don't know what kind of life he might live.
Yeah, walking up while the people in meditation so I come here create one piece of mystery. Everybody in the district used to live good before you come here, you know. Me say when you come here, nobody live good in the district, you know.
Stop it nice, man. I just threw me and your clothes, make me a pinch you and tell you.
You say your big man is a nasty piece of... Drink up, man.
I have more to tell you. Cause Rona nothing, listen. Rona nothing no normal Rona, you know. These people you have to look out there, You can't trust them. You can't trust them, are too fierce. Listen. Put the drink on my tab. Here? And I tell nobody, so me tell you. Remember, no call me name. You hear? It's not me keep me name out of it. Because anything me know, if me hear nothing again, and you first me I go and tell you. It's because me believe in you. I believe in you and want to come between you. You see me? I want to enjoy it. Just put it on my tab, you see?
Man, but I'll pick it out. See, so.
Wagwan.
We just come to tell you. Sorry. We just be come to apologize to you.
Apologize? Is this a prank? Where camera there? Where
No.
camera?
You see, because I didn't want misunderstanding and I know say me wrong and me acknowledge say me wrong. So me a come to say, because you can't do take easy from people. So me really sorry to come here yard with the embarrassment and me big mouth.
So me know say God is God, you know. Me pray and see there, thank you, Father. So how you find out say I lie them when you tell for me now?
A village liar, can't tell me, you know.
Village liar. You know say something about him, you know. Me know say something about him. Every time he come and say something, I say, nobody call me name, you know.
Yes, he always a say that. No call me name, you know, no call me name. Last night he did a drink rum. Drunk like a dog.
I like.
And tell me say, him send blacks to you, say who say him breed data. He tell me that the story there. He come again and tell me say, you say, me give your foot.
You know say he come to me and tell me say you give me foot.
Jesus Christ.
They never see him without turning.
He tell me say, you say me give him foot. So me make sure I come to you. And me cause cause me the angry over it, come you think come and me shop every day by. And he say me give him foot, and I never do that.
Carry go bring come, man. Carry go bring come, must come to an end.
He drunk again. He just talk every business and saying can't message my so to this. So when me look into it now, me say man I can have one piece of chaos in the neighborhood.
And me trust him and look up to him as a village doctor. Me can't believe this all now. I know me shock. Me can't believe say I saw him come down. Lord Jesus. The man come at me out every day with story, you know, me I say, I wonder if a man is for real. So me put me trust in him all and beg him help, say me want me foot. So me pray to God and me foot go down. Nothing but
A
God.
doctor or a liar. Liar, that the man there no doctor, nothing to help you with no foot. Village liar.
Yeah, how me look up to the man, me call him liar, doctor, everything, all teacher. Cause me look up to him.
Me glad me know I can't have nothing to come and me shop go and trust again. And right there, you see me take 2 big stone and lick him in the head. But put all that aside, me kind of glad he tell me say, I'm my husband breed black's daughter, cause you know, me meet one nice man and he say he like pretty ear girl, and me put on a dress looking like a Chinese. So make sure I go down a Chinese man and go buy one, and me going on a date now.
So what? So you have your husband left?
Yes, man, cause I him breed black's daughter, you know, hear what me tell us, say him breed the little girl.
I know me can't believe this. I know me this.
Him breed the little girl.
I you know say the village lawyer tell me say the father breed the little girl.
Yeah, man.
See, you see, those say is a mischief maker.
Anything you want, chat.
Me say it must come to an end in the name of Jesus. See there, thank you, Father, my name is free.
So well,
Thank you, God.
Because the man say he want a Chinese woman. So me get a Chinese dress.
Oh, you mean? I must say I
Going
look
out
good
on a
girl
little
from
date
morning.
with him.
Yay! Oh, you
So
mean?
yes,
I
that
look
works
good
in
girl.
my favor. So take care of
Alright.
yourself.
Yeah, man. Bless
Yeah.
up.
Hey, what one of it? You know, say you did that come to come apologize. Come on, yourself, girl. On top of the plum. I told you pregnant still, my child the plum. Apologize, me can apologize again to what my daughter do. Because you see him have him back on him back. I can't go put him for one bus. I send him go back a country. And I can't manage him.
I know, your daughter and they have to look on the big man side them sometime. You can't go blame your daughter. Because some man can know themselves too. She should have know herself, but Papa should have know himself. I want to tell her say last night I picture sitting go on and me shop. Me have to talk. Everybody me a go on the foot. On the road me a stop and tell. Village liar say. Village liar say. I him can message to Ishi and the old lady drunk and talk everything when they bust out everybody's secret.
What do you mean everybody's secret? What do you mean by that?
Village liar say him walk and tell people say you breed your daughter.
Jesus.
He talk your time one mouth laugh kiki. And me tell him and me make him breed in daughter. And me tell you say you can't stand there how long me I look. He can with that person sit in his shop last night. It was a movie.
You see, that's why in house have to lean over like it a drop down in and this a dirty car when you have park from when the right so can't move. If you have a mind that's all bun down in house and light in car.
Just when people mind dirty man, they just left them to time and left them to. Just left him man. Cause anything when I look for it will come before him. That's head man day. He tell me everything I me tell him say him breed your daughter. And me tell Sherry say you give Sherry 12 food, he tell Sherry say you know. And then he can tell me say Sherry say
man.
me give him.
But like you tell me still, what I go do before me care up a little girl, I go apologize to Sherry because I did really cuss her and go
Yeah
and
man,
bad.
can me just apologize to you know. She deserve the apology because me did go over there go be.
Alright, come on, I apologize to her before I go in.
And remember go country nobody go take no man a country.
Don't take man from pregnant telly.
Them opinion can't tear me.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, morning. You know, so I come to apologize for what me did say you say. Cause me get to find out because Navi just tell me say a village liar. All the mix up on the lie we are going in the community and him do it. So I come to apologize for how me did behave to say are you say me breed my daughter. Me get to find out the truth man and me get to find out say the Navi husband breed
Navi
my
when
daughter.
just come here so too. And she apologized to me and tell me everything so me understand. I'm glad he come down to this because me really did feel away. So everybody have my name and say me this and me that.
Yeah, me kind of feel away too for people that say me breed my daughter and me did upset about it too. But like me glad say everything pacify out and everything. But me just want to apologize. That's all. Alright, sorry about what me did say.
Daddy, apologize.
Water broke.
Alright, yo, help me with that. Help me with that.
No taxi number. So yeah, okay.
Jesus is my deliverer. I know He delivered me. Jesus is my deliverer. Jesus is my deliverer. I know He delivered me. Jesus is my deliverer. Hey, sister. What are you doing, Sheriff? I inviting you to prayer meeting, you know. From when I inviting you, but just keep telling me you're coming, and I know you can't come. Who are you? Why are you looking at me like
I'm
that?
alright, I'm good man. It's a blessed evening.
You know, say, hey, listen. You know, say Nablet run with your husband because he find out say he husband breed Black's daughter. Think in the street. Think.
You see man like you now, I pack your fear pack up and I left this a community and you need to run away. You will know say nobody will find out your dirty deeds.
Sure.
You feel a little bit of chaos because now this a community. I can't just go like your pastor this or that. He's a wicked man. And a little bit of things you do. You make Navlet run with your husband. You make Navlet come across me like a dog. You make people have me name on the top of this community say me wow. Me that pass to be a witch. Just because of you.
Sure. It's where you get this from. Eh? Look at me. I'm a man of truth. And everything.
Man of evil. Listen to me. You remember we were going with over shop there last night. Junk and a chat all the way you do. God is good. That's all me can say. You make black star run with female little daughter. Oh, you come down so as a man. They say a man of God. You plug your Bible man. Like strike you. You come chat off your mouth and you carry people name to me and then you carry my name to people. You feel stop it. I move from me get and go along fire some man. I burn if you burn in your house and run away.
Next time I hear anything about you, I'm not gonna tell you.
There will never be another you because you have to go get run with fire so. Remember that. There's a wicked man.
Go wash your dirty clothes. Go clean your house.
Evilous man.
Jesus is my deliverer. Jesus is my deliverer. Jesus is my deliverer. Nablet. Good evening. This is where you dress up, girl.
You out of order and you make up on a date and come back.
Boy, you look nice. Eh? It's full time like you. Let run no man in a man. You can't come over now.
Just no matter the rubbish this evening.
You know, say over at you know here.
You're what?
It's thinking high street. Cherry's a walking cemetery. In just a nyame pitting them and dash them away. Listen. He not stop nyam belly. He nyam every pitney when you get. Listen, I never know see such a time. I go over there and he nasty. You know, me say, all the one blacks, me see him with me
Tappy this so. You know, remember we were going with last night? You know, remember your behavior last night? For a big man, walking with Bible every day. People like that only make me afraid if you go in a church as big as me be. Me no want you come back in my yard with no sus, nothing. The only time me want to see you back when you come pay your bill. I mean, if you pay your bill before me turn worse than you in another community. You need to pay your bill before me turn worse than you. You go along with that shit last night you talk about everybody business you talk all what you do. Yes, man. Yes. So I need you to come out of me here before me take 2 big stone and take the Bible and beat in the word them where I walk with. Because you walk with the Bible but you don't read the Bible. That's why me tell you say, you're a church goer. You're not Christian. You just go. You look and pass.
Sister
I mean, don't want them make people in my yard. I say, if you come out of me yard.
Listen, Sister Nablet, oh dear you.
Come out of me. Come on.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Paradise Nation Originals, Richard Brown Films. Alright, I just want to big up some people because a long time I don't really talk on the video them and so, but big up to 4K Cuts Barber in Brooklyn, New York. Just go over there if you want a little bad trim them and put on a little bad beard them over 4K. Just go over there in Brooklyn. You don't know you got Chris, big up yourself. Big up to Navlet Reed, big up to all of the members them, big up to all who has been supporting. And please, we're gonna leave Jamaican soon. So we're gonna move to a new location. So we see what I go on. So we are gonna keep on up to date. We're gonna do an official video talking about that and the grand move and everything. Big up to Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation. I don't know you go. It's one family, one movement. You know you go. Big up yourself.
So if you have reached to the end of the video, thank you for watching. As always, we appreciate the fact that you guys take the time out for watch the entirety of the content. This is not new to you guys, uncut. This is not our regular way of shooting. We just had something fast and entertaining so you guys can have something to watch in between time while we create the normal set of film where we spend more time and more, what we want to say, more time and more effort in to create for you guys. So just go and watch this. Make sure say, when you go and subscribe, and if you never head over to Richard Brown Films, make sure you head over there to the official channel and watch all the movies that we have over there. And remember to share them up. And also head over to Jammy Wood, head over to Paradise Nation. You know, those channels are all one big channel where we run to make sure so we create great content for you guys. So thank you again for watching. And remember, please subscribe if you never subscribe. And look out for the next video. Big up!